What's up, everybody? It's Cassie Joy here. Today, I want to talk about real quick. This is going to be a very short video, but OBS version 26.1 release candidate 1 just came out on the GitHub. It has most importantly added the ability to use a separate audio track for a VOD when using Twitch. This is the same technology that Twitch Soundtrack uses. If you go over into your settings and into your output settings, you'll see that you have Twitch VOD track. Once you've installed this beta, make sure this is checked. Make sure this is set to track 2. You are going to set it up the same way you would set up a separate music channel or separate chat channel in Voicemeeter or in the Go XLR by going to your audio settings, going to your mic, setting it to whatever your broadcast mic is. For me, that's chat mic. And then I'm going to set it to the sample on my Go XLR because that's where I'll have my music come out of. If you have a channel that you make music output out of on your Voicemeeter, you will do that as well. This is how my routing is set up in Go XLR currently to make the most efficient thing. Sampler is only my music. I use this as basically a third sub mix. So I'm going to click OK. You're going to go over here into the advanced audio properties. And the way that this works is track 2 is now all the stuff that will be stored in the Twitch VOD. So I want that to be my microphone. And then I'm going to disable mic 2. That's my music audio from track 2. So now the only thing that will go into my VOD is going to be track 2, which is only my mic. If you have desktop audio, you should also set up desktop audio to be track 2 or however you have your thing. Basically, any channel that you have your music on only have set to track 1. Everything else set to track 2, and then you will have a great time and be able to avoid DMCA on Twitch. This is a beautiful feature, and I can't wait to see more. There's a link in the video description to this release candidate. Go test it out. Go get the team some feedback. Peace out.